Is culture from God? It's a good question to ask. Obviously, easy question, yes. God created culture in its glorious beauty. Culture is of God and it's beautiful. And so the enemy wants people all over the world to understand that culture is bad. They want one world culture. They want everybody to look the same, speak the same, be the same, believe the same ungodly things. It's like the opposite. In the spirit, we are all the same. But God created beautiful cultures. I saw a clip now the other day, I wish I could show you, of this guy that had pictures of women in Iran, women in Persia or Istanbul, which became Constantinople, that became Istanbul, people in Iraq, women in Iraq, all women, women in some places in Asia, and the pictures of them in their cultural clothing, and each of them so beautiful, so colorful. The Hindi people in the beautiful clothing, and the Persian women in their beautiful clothing, and then you see a picture right next to each one of them where they became Muslim with all black burqas and stuff, wearing that, and culture was eradicated. Culture is eradicated. It consumes culture. You're not allowed to have your culture when you're Muslim. You become your culture is. But God created those cultures. Just a thought for you. God created it. To be cultural is not a sin. And culture in itself is not a sin. But it is what is sinful in a culture that makes it a sin, right? You understand that? A Sotho person dressed in his Sotho clothing, or a Zulu person, or a Chichewa person, or a Japanese person, or a young Boersean with his khaki clothing, it's all beautiful. It's of God. It is not a sin. It's what those cultures do. Like the Israelites started worshiping idols. It's what they do that is not in line with God's will that makes it sinful. It's clear how God treated the Israelites from there. When he saw them serving other gods and idols,